Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 11, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, they are trading down by 8.5 points to 25.85 per contract. All in all, futures have been really trending lower right around 4 o'clock in the morning. So they are in negative territory. We'll see what we get going into the weekend today. It's been a pretty remarkable week when you look at things out here. Basically, the markets have been able to really rally almost every single trading day. Even when we get a gap down, they've been coming back. That's a little bit of a change in character. We'll see what we get. We are into resistance. We've had a great run already. The markets do need to digest these gains or get a little bit of a breather. And then next week we go into options expiration. So it's going to be a very, very important time period. But in the meantime, we have stocks in the news, so let's get started here. We have PVH. They reported earnings. Stock closed at $98.96, now trading at $103.50. So that's a pretty good little pop there. Again, PVH coming out with earnings, and again, nice little uptick there. So I'm not going to make more out of it than that. When I look at levels here, this still has a little room to run. You have the 106 level on the daily chart. That would be the 50-day moving average. So there's a possibility that that can get up there. So if you own this thing, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I'd kind of leave it alone. Let's see what it does once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Urban Outfitters, another retailer. URBN is the ticker symbol here. That stock closed at $32.56, now trading at $31.80. So a little bit on the weaker side there. I don't think there's much to do here whatsoever. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how that plays out. Next up, I want to take a look at WTW, which is Weight Watchers. This stock right now trading at $33.25. I believe this is on the back of a downgrade. Stock did close at $35.05, so good little haircut there for Weight Watchers. There does seem to be some support around the $31 level if it gets there. But again, we'd have to really look at that one when it gets down a little bit lower. But Weight Watchers under a little bit of pressure this morning. Let's take a look at Yum Brands. That stock was downgraded as well. Closed at $91.78, now trading at $89.79. There's not a lot of volume here in the pre-market, so we're not going to make too much out of it. But again, I like the $88 level for this. If it gets down to $88, I think there's a lot of support here for Yum Brands. So keep that on the radar today. Next up, we have StarBucks in play, SBUX. StarBucks getting a downgrade as well. Closed at $64.18, now trading at $62.30. If this gets down to around 60 and a quarter today, or even $60.15, I like the level there. I think that's a very, very good area for Starbucks. Next up, we have Gap Stores. GPS is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $24.55. This was downgraded, and it closed at 25 and a quarter. So you're definitely seeing the downgrade reflecting this morning. Price is a little bit lower. I don't really have a level for this one yet, so we'll keep it on the radar and we'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at ATVI, Activision. I did see some news on this one this morning, so it looks like they're saying that Bungie will assume full publishing rights and responsibility for the Destiny franchise. I think we saw this news yesterday. So I don't know if we're going to make too much out of it, but the stock is getting hit. So right now it's trading at $46.69. I'm not looking to get in front of this one. We'll see if it can go down further. But as you know, if you guys have been reading the blog over the last couple months, I am looking at this stock to go a little bit lower anyway. So we'll keep that level under the radar, and we'll see if it gets down there. But right now, nothing to do yet in Activision. Let's take a look at TLRY. I did see some news there. It looks like Privateer Holdings says it's not going to sell its shares that are coming free from lockup, and that is giving a big spike to the stock. Stock closed at $80.75, now trading at $95.50. So sensational pop for TLRY, and again, that's a marijuana name, marijuana play, and that's a big pop today. Let's take a look at Colgate-Palmolive. I think this is on the back of an upgrade. Stock closed at $61.82, now trading at $62.19. So this could have some more legs to the upside, but nonetheless, upticking a little bit here this morning. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting a bid today. up $5.10 to 1292.60. So nice little pop for gold per ounce. Let's see, take a look at the GLD. GLD trading at 122.16. So this is holding up very well as it is right at the moment. Let's take a look at crude oil today. Crude oil trading lower by 63 cents to $51.96 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that is trading at 10.97 this morning, closed at 11.09. So oil under pressure, gold upticking, and we got some stocks in play today. So again, we'll see what we get. Next week, just a quick reminder, is Options X next Friday for the month of January. It is also the start of earnings season. So get ready. We're going to get lots of gap plays in the morning. We should get some really good morning action out here. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a great 2018. We're off to a great start. And again, we're going to look to keep that going all the way into the end of this year. So get ready. It should be a great week next week. And if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. Check it out. You can trade right alongside of us. Have a great trading day, everybody, and we will see you all on the charts.